Hare Krishna, Shri Prabhupada ki Jai. So we are starting a new series of covering Srimad Bhagavad Gita from setting the scene to introduction and covering the 700 verses of the Bhagavad Gita to our as our first priority. So we'll be trying to cover 1 to 2 at least 2 verses a day. कभी बहुत ही ऐसा कोई दिन आ गया जिसमें बहुत ही इमरजेंसी हुआ, so we will cover 1 verse a day, but we'll be trying to cover 2 verses a day so that we can properly scrutinizingly study Bhagavad Gita in 1 year of time. So after Bhagavad Gita, we will be again starting the Srimad Bhagavatam and Prabhupada Lilamrita series. But because Bhagavad Gita is the most important part to be studied first for the new devotees, and also because Bhagavad Gita is ever new. आप एक पहली बार पढ़ोगे, फिर दूसरी बार पढ़ोगे तो आपको और नई चीज़ें दिखेगी, फिर उसको तीसरी बार पढ़ोगे और नई चीज़ें, मतलब Bhagavad Gita is Puranava. Like Lord Krishna is Puranava. He is completely new. Every second, every moment का भी moment Krishna is every second Krishna is new. Like that, the message he has left 5,000 years ago, that is also perfectly new right now. Every second it is new. That is the mystery of Bhagavad Gita. So without wasting any time, we'll be starting from the setting the scene. Hare Krishna, Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. So after taking mercy of Srila Prabhupada, we'll be starting this Bhagavad Gita. For your better आप ठीक से देख पाओ. ओके, अब सही है. So after taking the pranam mantra of Prabhupada, we will start. नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिनित नामने नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषशून्यादि पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौरभक्तवृंद. हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. हरे कृष्णा, प्रभुपाद की जय. सो हम जितना हो सके वी विल बी कवरिंग सेटिंग द सीन पार्ट ऑफ भगवद गीता. हरे कृष्णा. So here Srila Prabhupada says, although widely published and read by itself, because Bhagavad Gita, before Srila Prabhupada giving his perfectly authentic commentary on Bhagavad Gita, there are already 300 or 400 commentaries of Bhagavad Gita already published by many people who wanted to show their उनका narrative set करना चाहिए. So they took Bhagavad Gita shelter, and many very जो authentic आचार्य like मध्वाचार्य, रामानुजाचार्य, उनका भी भगवद गीता का interpretation, which means the commentary of Bhagavad Gita is also present. So many mixes were there. गोरखपुर भगवद गीता, गीता प्रेस का था. So many मतलब भगवद गीता श्लोक का उसका अनुवाद और सब कुछ. But there was no perfect purport that a person can apply in his life right now also after 5,000 years ago. So for that Srila Prabhupada came and gave us this absolute nectar. Bhagavad Gita originally appears as an episode in the Mahabharata. Yes, so in the Bhishma Parva, Bhagavad Gita appears, the epic Sanskrit history of the ancient world. So here people consider, oh, that Mahabharata and Ramayana, that is mythology. Yes, it is mythology. How that it can be possible that 5,000 years ago and many lakh years ago that some मतलब वो ध्रुव राठी बोलते, मेरा चैनल कोई मोनिटाइज नहीं है एंड आई डोंट हैव एनी मुझे उसके बारे में कोई चिंता नहीं कि कोई स्ट्राइक मार दे, नया चैनल में प्रचार करेगा. सो ध्रुव राठी बोलते हैं कि कैसे हो सकता है कि कोई वानर सेना इतना करोड़ों करोड़ों वानर और हनुमान जी पर्वत उठा के, सब कुछ मुझे नहीं लगता. मतलब वो उसका मतलब मतलब people are giving their, even if some nobody has any expertise in devotional service and anything, मतलब सब लोग को अपना मत देना है. अभी सबका ऐसा ही है कि I want to give my opinion and I also want that every one of you accept my opinion, उसका ego satisfaction के लिए. So पीपल कंसिडर इट माइथोलॉजी. आप चैट जीपीटी में पूछो भी माइथोलॉजी बोलेगा, माइथोलॉजी माइथोलॉजी. और मतलब उनका वो है कि हम पहले बंदर थे, फ्रॉम डार्विन थियरी. कोई कहाँ से कुछ चमत्कार हुआ, उसको चमत्कार भी मान रहे कुछ. फिर वो एक लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म सेल उत्पन्न हुआ, वो पानी से मछली, और मछली बाहर आई चलकर, वो बंदर बन गई. बंदर से हम अभी मतलब दे थिंक दैट वी आर इंडक्टिव फ्रॉम lower species to higher species we come, but in reality we came to from the highest species, which is Brahma, the first Brahmana, the first being in the universe after Vishnu creating the क्या कहते हैं, first partial universe, or we can say the first creation after done by Lord Vishnu. The secondary creation for that Lord Brahma is generated by on the Nabhi, lotus Nabhi of Vishnu, and Brahma does the secondary creation, and from that Manu comes. Manu के बाद उसके बाद उसके मतलब they progenate, and then thus the human civilization and all the animal civilization, everything goes. But if we consider that the we have come from the highest species, which is Brahma, not some inductive process. We are coming from deductive process. That's why we are accepting the knowledge which has come from deductive process, which is Srimad Bhagavatam, Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita, and most importantly Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So yes, we must consider Mahabharata and Ramayana and every epics, everything, every word, every letter written in the our Vedic scriptures, which are authentic Vedic scriptures, which are Puranas, Upanishads, Vedas. We have to consider every letter, every word of that to be Satya. Then only we can get निष्ठा, श्रद्धा. श्रद्धा से स्टार्ट होगा, फिर श्रद्धा, फिर साधु संग, फिर भजन क्रिया, फिर अनर्थ निवृत्ति. पहले श्रद्धा पे तो हमको आना चाहिए. वी हैव टू कंसिडर दैट दिस इज द परफेक्ट रियल ट्रुथ. The Mahabharata tells of events leading up to the present age of Kali. Yes, it was at the beginning of this age, some 50 centuries ago, that Lord Krishna spoke Bhagavad Gita to his friend, devotee Arjuna. So here Prabhupada says that 50 centuries, which means one century has 100 years, so we can get approximate calculation of 5,000 years ago. हरे कृष्ण. सो दिस इज द एक लास्ट पैराग्राफ हम डिस्कस करेंगे, एंड विल बी स्टॉपिंग राइट नाउ हियर एंड कवर द नेक्स्ट पार्ट टुमारो एंड और थर्ड डे वो भी हो सकता है. Their discourse, one of the greatest philosophical and religious dialogues known to men, took place just before the onset of war. So yes, just before the onset of war, Krishna spoke the Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna. A great fratricidal conflict between the 100 sons of Dhritarashtra and so on, and on the opposing side their cousins, the Pandavas, or sons of Pandu. So every Indian or every Bharatiya, so called, अभी तो so called ही हुई, because all Bharatiyas also wanted to मैच themselves with कितना फॉरेनर्स तो डाउनग्रेडेड है ही. अब वो भी भारतीय संस्कृति अपना रहे. अभी भारतीयों को उनका 50 साल पुराना अब वो ग्रहण करना है, बिकॉज वी कैन से दैट वी आर 50 ईयर्स पिछड़े हुए, 50 साल पिछड़े हुए हम फॉरेनर्स के कंपैरिजन में. सो एवरी भारतीय, एवरी इंडियन must know that there were 100 sons of Dhritarashtra and 5 sons of Pandu. And आप सबको वो तो सीधा पता ही होगी that those two were brothers, and Dhritarashtra was the elder brother, Pandu was the younger brother. But the thing is that धृतराष्ट्र, वो बहुत बड़ा स्टोरी है इसके पीछे. But in short, if we say, Dhritarashtra was blind and Pandu was weak from body. So because Dhritarashtra was blind, that's why the kingdom was given to Pandu, but in some unfortunate situation he kills a rishi who in the form of deer was enjoying sexual intercourse with his wife. So he kills both of them, jitna I have knowledge. So that rishi appears and he curses Pandu that when you will be on the on set that you want, or you will go try to enjoy your wife, then you will be killed, you will die. So after hearing this, Pandu leaves his kingdom because अब क्या ही कर सकते हैं, if because वहाँ पे तो सबसे ज़्यादा मोह तो वही होगा that I want to enjoy this particular thing which is sex life. So with his two wives he goes to forest, but also another some unfortunate situation when the two wives Kunti and Madari Devi. So Madari Devi, she came after bathing. So when Pandu saw him that lusty desires by the uh, प्रोविडेंस ऑफ लॉर्ड, भगवान की इच्छा से होता है सब कुछ. सो बाय द प्रोविडेंस ऑफ लॉर्ड दैट लस्टी डिजायर गॉट इन्वोक्ड एंड Pandu tried to sexually enjoy her, or you can say सहवास में लगने ही वाले थे. Even though Madhuri Devi, she tried that, oh you will die, oh husband you will die, but still because lust is like a cyclone, it after वो lust का टारगेट लग जाता है वो एक व्यक्ति को अंदर खींच ही लेता है. सो विदाउट इवन थिंकिंग दैट ही विल डाई, मैं मर जाऊंगा वो भी सोचे बिना, ही ट्राइड टू एंजॉय एंड ही डाइड. सो आफ्टर दिस सो बहुत सारा हुआ, पांडु नहीं रहे, फिर अभी धृतराष्ट्र को फिर बना दिया राजा पूरे कुरु डायनेस्टी का. सो एवरीथिंग. So like this we'll be covering the next story which is very interesting. So go on, keep हमारे साथ ट्रैक रखिए. हरे कृष्णा, शिव रूपात की जय. We'll cover the next part in the next video.